Hi viewers, this is your Atifa Ramis. Thank you so much for the support you gave me for my previous video. I hope that all of you liked and got some useful information through that video. So today I have chosen even a very important topic, that is how to calculate your HCF and LCM. Come, let's go in the video. So we all have heard about this HCF and LCM. So this lesson is for grade 6 upwards children, that's for Cambridge and National Board. So this is a very tough topic among the children. I have heard it and I have experienced it with the children, because most of the children even don't do fraction addition, subtraction, only because of where the HCF and LCM gets involved. So I'm going to show you a little bit of easy method which I follow. So it will be easy for you to work out any sort of sum which includes HCF and LCM. So first we'll focus on HCF, that is highest common factor. So just get the name of it, highest common factor. To find the HCF, to find the highest common factor, first we should know what is a factor. Right? The first thing what we should know is what is a factor. So factor is generally the number that divides into another number exactly without leaving a remainder. Forget it. I'll tell you in simpler words. Now we take number 6. Okay, by what numbers can you divide 6 without having a remainder? Now, for an example, if you take 3, you can divide 6 by 3 where you won't have any remainder, right? So when you take 10, you can divide it by 2 and you can divide it by 5. So there are some numbers that you can use as a dividend to another whole number where it won't leave a remainder. So these numbers are called the factors of the whole number. Okay, if I'm not confusing, let me go to the example. How do you find a factor of a number? Okay, now what we need it, how we are going to face the question, right? And how we are going to find the factor. Okay, we don't need all this explanation. Okay, we just need how we are going to find the factor. So that's what I'm going to show you here. Right now, your question is, what is a factor of 12? What you simply do is write all the multiples of 12. How you get 12 by multiplying? 12 ones are 12. 2 sixes are 12. 3 fours are 12. So those are the only ways how you get 12. Right? So after you write them, you just put these numbers in order. That's enough. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Put them in order. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. Okay, hope it was clear. Now look at the next example, 14. How to find the factors of 14. Then again, what you have to do is write how 14 is gained by multiply. Okay, so 1 into 14 is 14, 2 into 7 is 14. That's all. We don't have any other ways of getting 14 through multiplication. If you have, you can add on. But if you don't have, okay, we have only 2 of these here, then we write only 2 of those here. 1 into 14 into 4 is 14 and 2 into 7 is 14. So after what you do is, you just write those numbers down. So basically, your factors for 14 will be 1, 2, 7 and 14. That's all. All the numbers which includes here are the factors of that particular number. Okay, so now we know what is a factor. Okay, now you can try with different numbers as well at home. Now we'll see how to find HCF. Now our main purpose of this video is to know how to find HCF, right? So we will see how to find HCF. Now HCF means, like I told you before, it is the highest common factor. So we will do a small twist here. We will change the words. We'll put that as factor, common, highest. We'll put the last word factor into first, common, The first word highest into last. Why I did that was to show you which order you're going to find the answer. If you have it this way, it's very easy for you, you'll never forget. So according to this order which I have made, it tells you first find the factor, second find the common number, third choose the highest out of it. We'll see how we are going to do that. This is the question. Find the HCF of 6, 12 and 18. This is how you will get the question, children. So that's why I have put a question like this. This is the way you will get a question. Find the HCF of, they might give you 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So for the betterment, I have chosen 3 numbers as well. Now first you write 6 and write all the factors of 6. Now see, I have written the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. I have gained it like this. This is how I have got the factors. Okay, I have showed you here. And then I write the factors of 12. So this is how I have got the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And I write the factors of 18. So your first step is done. That is, what was your first step? Writing the factors. Correct? So we have written all the factors. Now what is the next step is common, choosing the common. Choose the common number which is there in all 3 places, because there are 3 numbers here. So all 3 places. Now when you take 1, it's all over. 1. When you take 2, it's all over. When you take 3, it is a common number. And when you take 6, it is a common number. See, it doesn't have to be straight. It can have these snaky shapes, okay? 6. No, that's all. There is no other common number. Do you see any other common numbers? No. That's all you see, right? So now the common part is over. So we'll choose the highest. Out of 1, 2, 3, and 6, what is the bigger number? That's the pre-grade question. What is the bigger number here? 6. So what is your answer? The HCF for 6, 12, and 18 is 6. Simple. Okay. So keep it in mind, children. Once again, I'll quickly do a recap on this HCF. HCF simply stands for highest common factor. The first thing what you should do is mix up the order. Factor, common, highest. Go from behind. Okay. So first you write the factors. How do you write the factors? Get the multiples of them and write all the numbers in order. If you don't write in order, it's not a problem. But if you write in order, your book will be neat. Okay. That is also important, right? So you write all the factors in order, small to big, ascending order. After that, you choose the common numbers. But remember, it should be the children everywhere I have seen them, they make the mistake. If a number is now here, if the 4 is here and the 4 is here, they quickly tend to circle. No, if there are 3 numbers, that circling number should be there in all 3 numbers, all 3 places. Okay. So after you circle, you choose the highest out of it. Simple. So your answer is 6. This is the answer. Okay. So we'll quickly move to the LCM. LCM, lowest common multiple. This is even easy. I'm going to show you 2 methods to do LCM. Both are very easy methods. Okay, so we'll quickly move to the lesson. LCM. LCM simply stands for lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Okay, now first, like I told you before, we should know what is a multiple. Multiple is very easy. I have chosen a very simple sentence here. The numbers in a times table. Now, when I ask you to write the multiples of 2, you go on 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And yeah, the numbers in a times table. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then let's see the multiples of the following numbers. Multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? I hope that all of you know the 6 times table. 6, 12, 18, 24. It goes on. Remember, factors will have an end, but whereas multiples will not have an end. It goes on. Okay, 5. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It goes on. Multiples of 11, 11, 22, 33, 44. That's it. So now you know what are multiples. Multiples means simply when you turn your maths book behind, you have the times table, multiplication table. The numbers given there are the multiples. Okay. So now we'll see how to find the LCM, the challenging part. Here also the same concept, lowest common, multiple. Put them the other way around. Multiple, common, lowest. First, we will write the multiple, choose the common, choose the lowest out of it. Simple. The question. Same question I have given here, see? Okay, so here there should be a small change that it has to be what? Correct, I heard that right. It has to be LCM. So shall we go on to that? So you start writing the multiples. You wrote 6, 6, 12, 24, 36. Now, why I have kept you this dot is, it continues, it goes on. So we'll not waste time, okay? We'll stop. If you need more numbers, we will write later. 12, 12, 24, 36. And there also I kept some dot. Okay, if I need some more, I will write. 18 also I did the same. Now we'll see what is a common number here. 6 is not anywhere, no. 12, see now, like earlier I told you, 12 is here, but not here. So 12 is not a common number. Remember that very carefully, children. Now 24 is here, 24 is here, but not here. So it's not common. 36, yeah, so we found. So since it says lowest, you don't need further. You don't need to see a lot of numbers and choose the small number. At once, you can take the small number as well. That is 36. So your LCM will be 36. What will be your LCM be? 36. The LCM of 6, 12, and 18 is 36. Simple as that. Okay. So children, I hope that this video helped you in all the ways that to clear your doubts with HCF and LCM. This is a very crucial topic. I know, like I have suffered in my childhood doing this LCM and HCF, but I have given you this opportunity to learn a very easy method, right? And I hope this will help you. I hope this video will help all of you in some ways. If it helps you, please like, share with your friends, and also don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it, so that whenever I post a video, you will be getting it your notification. And if you have any comments that regarding this video, if you have any topics that you would like to be explained, you can put into the comment section. I'll be always be available and be happy to solve your problems. Okay, that's it for today. So see you in another video. Bye. Take care.